Okay, I'm filming this on my phone, so I can't get a totally crisp shot like you would with a dedicated video camera. But just want to show real quickly what you can do with where is it? With Tamiya's Panel Accent Color. Now, think of this maybe as a gateway into weathering, because with the accent line, you can start by giving your loco and your cars a little bit of depth, and you'll see what I mean. Hopefully, the camera catches this, but yeah. Hopefully the camera can catch this, but I'm going to start with this top line right there. And what should happen is, it's a little hard to see, capillary effect. Yeah, if you see, now it's wicking its way down this way. So that adds a little depth. Now, I'm still playing with it as far as cleaning up the excess. Yeah, you can see it's wicking along there. On some of my Locos, I did this, but I think I rubbed too much off. But it's sticking up a little there. So, but here you can see the panel axis lines, and yeah. So let's try. Yeah, we got a little there. Yeah, see it wicks a little there, wicks a little there, goes down a little bit, want it to wick there. Yeah, see it's wicking in there, and it's giving it a little depth. So again, and then I put it on here, but start trying that. Get this Tamiya accent, what do they call it? Panel line accent color. It really gives your Locos and your freight cars a lot of depth. I also have these to start cleaning up any of the extra other smudges, but I think I did that a little too much to where it actually cleaned it out. But we'll try another few things here. Again, you can see that kind of wicking effect. It starts just crawling. And again, I can use the, what do you call it, the Q-tips to take off some of the excess. So let's see, let's get this right here. Again, this isn't an exact science, but at least it kind of gets you starting to get a little depth to, oops. Yeah, there it goes. It starts giving you a little depth, and this kind of the extra stuff you can, again, use your Q-tips to get off. So that's just what I wanted to show you. It's a little simple project you can do. Spend an hour or two, listen to your favorite train podcast. Yeah, and then I put them on here too. Oh, and what I do is I'll let them go. So yeah, see how it wicks in the handrails? And yeah, so I'll do that too to give them some depth. So yeah, you can do that, and then wait till it dries a bit, and then maybe take a little bit of the excess off that you find. So simple little project. Try to get that line there. Again, I'll clean that up. Yeah, so give it a try. Let me know what you think. Put your comments in the comment section below, and let me know if you tried this and what your thoughts are. All right, thanks.